Want to know how to create a simple JavaScript code using Claude? So Claude can handle various programming languages, which includes JavaScript as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make it work with JavaScript or create a simple script regarding it. So let's get right into it. First things first, on the top right side, you should be seeing your new chat right here, the simplest like that, and it should pop up something like this. Second, the simplest like code right here on the bottom. Sometimes it should show you suggestion regarding JavaScript as well. You can just simply take that in order to just get started, or you can just simply type in this form. So once you have typed in this form, you can just simply like enter, and now as you can see right here, your Claude AI should start working with your JavaScript program, and after a while it should give you a code and a proper explanation on how the code works, as we say in the prompt. Now you can just simply copy paste and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.